All right, here we go with 4.3 real world ratio problems, easy for me to say, where we're looking at three quantities again. We're on the guided practice problem number 2 on the bottom of page 142, and then we're going to continue on to 143. But mainly you got to look at the bottom of 142. So grab your book, and here we go. It says a school raised $18,000 at a charity event. The money raised was shared among 3 charities, A, B, and C, in the ratio of 1, 2, and 3. How much money did each charity receive? So we have A getting 1 share, B getting 2 shares, and C getting 3 shares. So if this is the whole big pot of money, and this is splitting the pot of money up into the 6 parts, A gets 1 part, B gets 2 parts, and C gets 3 parts. So the whole thing is $18,000. What is each little unit then that these charities get? Well, all we have to do is divide 18,000 by 6, which might seem hard at first, but I put the 6 into 18, that goes 3 times, and then I've got my 3 zeros there, so 3,000 times 6 is 18,000, think of it that way. And so charity A is going to get 1 part, or they're going to get $3,000. Charity B is going to get 2 parts, which is 3,000 times 2, or $6,000. And charity C is going to get 3 parts worth 3,000 each. So 3,000 times 3 is $9,000. Oops, too many zeros. Let's back that up. There we go, $9,000. Thanks for watching.